Fresno departure, Tomahawk 2452 Tango at 1,600. We have traffic in sight.
2452 Tango, Fresno departure at a contact, cancel altitude restriction. The helicopter will stay low.
Cancel altitude restriction, 52 Tango.
Fresno approach, Tomahawk 9459 Tango, 15 northwest of Fresno, 2,700 with information Quebec. We'd like to land in Fresno.
Tomahawk 9459 Tango, Fresno approach, welcome back, squawk 0445.
Squawk 0445, 59 Tango.
Departure, Tomahawk 2452 Tango. Do you have any drone activity on your radar by any chance?
Tomahawk 52 Tango, we wouldn't pick up drone activity on the radar. We filter small stuff out. It's the size of a bird. We're going to not want to see it on the radar. Do you see a drone?
Not sure what it was, but it was pretty quick moving, about a mile and a half behind us now at about 2,500 feet. It looked not like a bird, so I assume it might have been maybe an unmanned object, but I'm not sure.
You said about a mile behind you?
Yeah, at this point it's probably two. It was moving pretty quick.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, 5 Tango.
And PD1 just got a report of a drone at 41 in Herndon, about 3 miles west of you, northwest of you, and if you can go check that out for me.
We're currently working a call. As soon as we're done, we'll head up there, PD1.
PD1, roger.
Tomahawk 52 Tango, I let tower know they're going to send some out and take a look. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, 5 Tango.
Tomahawk 9459 Tango, we're at a contact, 10 miles west of Fresno Yosemite Airport, enter left downwind, 29 left at above 2,500.
Enter left downwind at or above 2,500, 29 left, 59 Tango.
Tomahawk 52 Tango, how high was it?
About 2,500, I would say. It was headed towards Fresno area.
Tomahawk 59 Tango, in the vicinity of 41 and Herndon, probably just west of 41 on Herndon in that area. As a drone reported, just west of Fresno Yosemite, about 4 miles west. Enter left downwind, 29 left, at or above 3,000 for that. He was reported at 2,500.
29 left, at or above 3,000. Left downwind. There is, I thought I saw something over downtown, about 3,500.
You saw something over downtown at 3,500?
Correct. It was like a white object, 59 Tango.
How long ago was this?
I just lost it right now.
Oh, so you saw it just a minute ago. It's in front of you. You said it was downtown, right?
About my 1 o'clock, right over downtown where the buildings are. 59 Tango.
59 Tango, right. Tomahawk 59 Tango, keep tower advised. Please contact tower 118.2.
Over to tower 59 Tango.
And PD1, traffic 2 miles to the east of you, Sheriff's Eagle 1.
You're looking for him, PD1.
Fresno Tower, Tomahawk 9459 Tango, restricted 3,000. We'd like to do a touch and go at Fresno.
And Tomahawk 9459 Tango, Fresno Tower, report midfield left down, and would you like to stay in the pattern?
We'll report midfield left, 29 left downwind. We'd like to land back at Chandler afterwards. 59 Tango.
Tomahawk 59 Tango, red.
And 59 Tango, I got negative contact on that object.
Tomahawk 59 Tango, however, you do have a sheriff's helicopter at 900 feet at your 12 o'clock, 1 mile.
Looking for traffic, 59 Tango.
Tower PD1, confirm the location on that drone sighting.
And PD1, last report I got was it's at 3,000 near downtown now.
All right, we'll be looking for it, PD1.
And PD1, it was white in color.
White at 3,000, PD1. Eagle PD, up on Victor. Yeah, we got you inside. We're going to be to your north about 2 miles or so. Roger that. Negative contact on the drone, PD1.